Hey, that's it!
I bet baby Redbird's mommy makes the same sound he does.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
So let's all call to baby Redbird's mommy.
Everybody say, tweet, tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Let's all listen to the tall tree for baby Redbird's mommy. Does that sound like baby Redbird's mommy?
Nope. Those are bees. Now let's listen to the taller tree. Does that sound like Redbird's baby mommy? Nope.
That's a woodpecker.
Okay, let's listen to the tallest tree.
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Does that sound like baby Redbird's mommy? You betcha!
That means Mommy Redbird lives in the tallest tree.
Yeah, it is. It looks like it'll be the tallest tree.